Changing your profile picture on Shopify is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to update your image easily. Step 1. Log into your Shopify account. Access your Shopify account by entering your credentials on the login page. Make sure you have the necessary permissions to make changes to your profile. Step 2. Navigate to your account settings. Once logged in, click on your account name or profile icon located in the top right corner of the dashboard. From the drop-down menu, select Account or Settings to access your account settings. Step 3. Find the Profile Picture section. In the Account Settings menu, look for the section labeled Profile or Profile Picture. This is where you can view and edit your current profile image. Step 4. Upload a new picture. Click on the option to upload a new picture. You will be prompted to choose a file from your device. Select the desired image and ensure it meets any specified size or format requirements. Step 5. Save changes. After uploading your new profile picture, make sure to save the changes. Look for a Save button at the bottom of the page and click it to apply your new profile image. Now you have successfully updated your profile picture on Shopify. Enjoy your refreshed look.